Hello and welcome to the Getting Started lesson. First of all, we're going to learn how to use Wing, which is the software that will interface with Python and make it easy for us to enter our programs. So make sure you go to the required software page and get all these things: Python, Pygame, and Wing. Alright, now assuming you've gotten those and installed them, let's see, in Wing, open a new file and then save the file into some new empty folder. Call the file sample.py. So we're going to do that. I'm using Linux up here, and I'll go under Development, Wing, and it should just be in your Start menu or on your desktop if you're using Windows. Alright, now I've already got some files up in here, but we're going to create a new one. New. There we go, untitled1.py. So save. Yes, save selected files. And I'm going to create a folder, new folder, and call it homework. It'll be the folder that I would be doing all my homework in for this class. Oh, I already created it. Okay. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to name this sample.py. Okay. And there we go. Sample.py in my homework folder. Okay, now I'll just close this other sample.py down so you don't get confused. Okay, where is it? Sample.py. Now we'll go back to the Getting Started page. Oh, look, you're watching the video right now. Isn't that weird? Okay, now we download game.py, so right click on it and do Save Link As. And I will put it in my homework folder, which is the same folder that I put sample.py in. And they have to be in the same folder, otherwise it won't work. Homework. Okay, save. Okay, well, it's done. Now let's go back to Wing. Now in Wing, up here, of course, is how you create new files and close them and whatnot. This is where you type in your program code, so I'll type in something simple. Print hello world. Yes. Now, then this other button here is how you run it. Obviously, it says run. Once you run it, then it runs it down here in the interpreter. Now, the interpreter is actually interactive, so you can run commands in it. So if I wanted to add 4 and 5, I could just type that in and hit enter and see if it worked. There we go, print hello world. Now, supposing I had defined a function called add. It adds A and B together. Let's see, return plus B. Now, you don't need to understand this right now. In fact, you probably don't. That's fine. Okay, now we'll run it. You see it runs down here. It printed out hello world like we told it to on the top line, and then it also defined this function add, and we can actually in the interpreter call that function now to test it out. So add 2 and 3. Oh, and what do you know, it worked. Okay, so that's basically all you'll need to know about Wing. Let's see. Yep, that's all.